Hello and welcome to Aishwarya's kitchen. In today's video, we are going to make very popular American sweet treat, deep fried Oreos. This is refined flour. To this, I'm going to add the baking powder, and this is salt. Mix it real quick. All the ingredients and their quantities you will see it at the end of this video and also in the description box below. Okay? Now in a medium bowl we are going to add 1 egg. To this we will add vanilla. Now mix this. Now to this we'll add sugar and milk. While you're making the batter, you can also start heating up the oil. So when the batter is done, the oil is ready for frying. Okay? Now to this we'll add flour. And mix all this good. Once the batter is mixed good enough, we'll go ahead and add melted butter. Mix it all good. Now our batter is ready to frying the Oreos. For this recipe, I like to use double stuffed Oreos. Once the oil is hot enough, all you need to do is take the Oreo, put it in the batter, dip it good, and it's ready to go in the oil. Now you can add as many of cookies you want to while you're frying. Just be careful that you don't overcrowd the oil. Okay? Now this same batter you can use to deep fry Twinkies, Snickers, or anything that you like. Now we are going to fry them until they are golden brown. Now if your oil is nice and hot, it doesn't take long time at all to fry these. They are ready in like just few seconds. I think this is a nice color. They are ready to come out. You can fry it longer if you want it little more deeper color, but I think for us this is perfect. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.